Well, we made it back. We're at the racetrack finally, right, honey? Yep. Yeah. We both had to work today. We both get off at 5, and Kinsey has an hour drive home because she's in training right now. But we finally made it back to the racetrack. We're gonna walk around and we're just gonna get some Super Nationals action today. We're just fans, you know. We have been all week actually, you know, but we're just gonna walk around and get some cool footage, get some footage of race cars and watch a couple races and just get some action shots and try to do that. We're gonna meet up with Brandon Bombardo. He is here to get today. He drove back. He actually recorded a bunch of videos at his, well, not a bunch, like 3 different videos of driving here, working on the car, and rolling up into Boone, headed towards the racetrack. So that'll be cool for you guys to see. He's a little goofy, so we'll have to see what he had to say in those. We're gonna get to our pit bands right now. We'll talk to you later.
What's up, everybody? Well, figured I'd give you a little sneak peek at an early part of the week. We're not racing now till Saturday. You saw we put on a show in the last video. It was pretty fun. Car was really good. Driver made some mistakes, but we'll get better. And yeah, so we're gonna make a couple changes to the car, but we actually have it out here today. Just got it washed up. After the feature, after the video last night, we drove home. Actually, drove all the way back to the shop so we could do some maintenance, get it ready for the big dance. So yeah, here's our garage. Here's where we're at. You can see some tire work got done. Had to get the pressure washer out and get all the dirt and junk off of it. Zach had to work today, so figured we'll come do something productive. We're gonna probably load this thing up here, I don't know, probably in the next 10-15 minutes. And then we may head back for Boone tonight or tomorrow early morning. Not sure yet when we're gonna go. But yeah, I just got the trailer cleaned out. It's amazing how much crap you can acquire in a short amount of time. So yeah, we got it all cleaned out. Just got to organize it again. And then we'll be ready. We're going to take it back to the track and hopefully put on a show. Hopefully we'll be able to be competitive. Like I said, car felt really, really good. Really happy with where we ended up. So I think I could have done a couple things differently last race. I think there's a few things that I probably could have done to maybe give us a better shot at winning that thing. I definitely think we had one of the cars to beat. I think we put up a lot of speed, but I kind of got to a point in the race where I looked at the leaderboard and I saw we were in 4th, and I thought to myself, it's better to finish 4th than do something dumb trying to win it and then miss the big show. So I kind of made a decision on that one to kind of tame it down a little bit once I got there. And looking back at it, I probably should have just kept doing what got me there. Probably could have, in all honesty, probably could have given it a real run for its money. I think we had a chance to win that thing last night. So kind of kicking myself for that, because not often that you can be at Super Nationals and have a chance to win a qualifying A-main. But kind of settled in, didn't want to wreck, didn't want to take anyone else out in the top 4. We had a pretty good battle going. Really top side dominant last night. So yeah, anyways, that's what I got for you guys. We'll be back with more videos later. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna try to film it the right direction this time, but I take some getting used to, because when I go live, I gotta do it the other way. So it's just, why can't everybody just get on the same page and be whichever direction it's gotta be and make it work? So I don't know who's in charge of that, but you need to figure your shit out. All right, I got that out of my system. Yeah, race car's ready. It's ready to be hooked up. We're gonna hook it up to the winch, and then we're gonna get this thing all loaded up. See if we can't start heading for Boone. Go meet up with Madrid and Kenzie and other. I am struggling here. Okay, there we go. Promise, I know how to hook up the trailer. It's not often that I have to do this, but once in a while. So yeah, there we go. We're all hooked up. Ready to go. Sorry for the bad angle shot there, because I'm one man. Just one man trying to do the best I can. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing loaded right now, so I'm gonna actually set you guys up and let you guys watch the process unfold here. It should be pretty easy, so. Not as nimble as I used to be. Can't crawl around the car anymore. There we go. We're in. We're gonna tie it down and then load up and we'll be live next. So I think that's all I got for you guys today. Talk to you. Well, good morning. We are heading back to Boone. As you guys all saw, we loaded the car, got everything packed up. Spent the evening with the kids, hung out with them for a little while, and then now today we are heading back to Boone. I'm gonna meet up with Zach. I'm sure we'll probably do some video together. But yeah, now we're gonna kind of enjoy a couple days of racing. I think that's gonna be the fun thing here is we'll be able to just kind of sit back and watch the stock cars and the modifieds fight for it. And yeah, like I said, they put on a pretty good show last night. Sounds like they got a little bit of moisture at Boone right now. So hopefully that'll clear up. I loaded the sunshine in the trailer. It's right back there. So I'm going to bring some sunshine to the track with me. Hopefully we can unload that when we get there and then things will be good. But yeah, I'm pretty pumped. I mean, it's we've only made the big dance one other time. And we kind of got in on a technicality. We actually missed the A-main because of being wrecked. And then made it through the LCQ, but missed it by one spot. We were the first man sitting out for a while, and somebody did not pass tech, and we ended up getting in. So I've always said, like, it was cool to get in, but like I want to get in on my own. I don't want it to be on somebody else's mishap or somebody else's misfortune. So this year I'm super pumped because we drove our way into the show, and that means a lot to me. I give Zach a lot of crap, but I give him a lot of credit. I'll tell you what, him and his family, him and Anthony, they've been a big part of my program. And a lot of it's just shit talking, I'll be honest. They really motivate me through telling me how bad I am, so that's cool. But it's friendships like that that honestly are what make racing so awesome. I didn't know who they were, met them in Arizona many years ago, I guess 3 years ago now or whatever, when I went down for the Winter Nationals. And just got lucky. I ended up being pitted next to him, and yeah, got to know him, and we've just become really good friends. So I'm fortunate enough that he moved up here, so now we get to hang out a little bit more than we would have. And yeah, like I said, I've met a lot of cool people through him. It seems like he knows everybody, so that obviously doesn't hurt. So nevertheless, like I said, it's been fun hanging out with him. We're heading to Boone right now. We got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, and we'll see what we can do. Like I said, I'm pretty excited. I think we got a good shot to compete. I don't know. There's a lot of tough competition. Just being in that show is an honor. So last year we went 30th to 7th. So being that we start a little bit further forward this year, I think we start 11th if I'm not mistaken. I am cautiously optimistic. I feel good that we can at least hold our own, hopefully finish right around where we were last year. That would be my goal, is to kind of be able to do it again. But of course, you know, the ultimate goal is let's go drive this thing to the lead and see if we can't put on a show. So they don't call us Mr. Excitement for nothing. So we're gonna go see if we can't deliver on the name and try to put on a good show for you fans, and hopefully you guys all tune back in with us. So we'll be back. Thanks, guys.
Stock-car, all-star invitational cars for safety. Stock-car, all-star invitational cars for safety.
Get this shit figured out or what?
Fuck no.
No?
We're just some goofy ass Arizona people out here.
Hey, that's not YouTube friendly. Jeez Louise. Look what we got. Oh, cowboy.
Fucking eggs.
Why aren't you hooking out here?
Because they said no.
Them sons of bitches.
Raise money and sponsors and everything.
They still wouldn't
IMCA
let you,
said
huh?
nope.
Yeah, they got their own
They
little
don't
world
want
out
us
here.
to make them look bad.
Yeah. They could put you on a tractor out there at least. Come on.
I'd look just as stupid as them running their old shitty equipment.
Guess who's back? Mr. Excitement. Well, we're race fans tonight. We're not racing, so just walking through the pits. Mr. Ryan Roth is coming up here. We're gonna go get Miss Hangry some food. Buttless cutlass. Let's go. The gold buttless cutlass. Doesn't like a buttless cutlass. That's right. I almost tripped over a pit bike. I kind of was hoping you would. But today we're just walking around, getting some sights and sounds, checking out the racing. It'll be a good day. We're gonna make some videos, make some content. I'm hoping tomorrow, if Brett lets me, I asked for permission, he hasn't replied yet. I'll let you guys know, but I'm hoping I can follow Byron around tomorrow, maybe. I haven't really asked Byron either, so hi Byron. And just follow him around and get some footage of what it's like being a photographer for IMCA at the Super Nationals. I think it'd be fun and cool to look around and see what it's like, you know. We know what it's like to be a racer. We know what it takes to be a racer, but we have no idea what it takes to be a photographer when it runs behind the scenes. Sorry, it's really loud. There's a lot of race cars. But I think it'd be a cool view and a cool thing to check out. So I'm gonna try to do that. If not, then we're gonna be race fans again tomorrow.
I'm not sure I understand how to be a race car driver. You lied to everybody. I'm still trying to figure that out.
You did pretty good the other night.
I got lucky.
Yeah. Monday was Mr. Meh. Tuesday was Mr. Excitement. So we're gonna get walking around here, get some food, and then we'll start recording some more stuff. Lights out at the racetrack. This side's good. This side's dark.